What's up, guys? It's April 1st, 2024. April Fool's Day. Did you guys play any pranks? April Fool's Day. So, yeah, finally got a little bit of a range expansion. I actually thought it was a really clean day for trades. A lot of leg counting, double bottom, the reach to the. I went for right here, but I wanted to hit this red line, but it never worked. It never went. Yeah, I like today's price action, honestly. I hope you guys did too. Bar one is a range bar. Bears try to close the gap right away, and bulls reverse it and go for two legs higher. Leg one, pull back leg two. No follow through at the last sell off, and bears start to get multiple legs down. Here we can see bar three is a turning point, so that's the end of the bull trend and the start of the bear trend because the market's always in transition. So what's the end of one thing is the start of the next thing. So this is the end of the bull trend, and this is the start of the bear trend. Leg one, I didn't count this as a leg one, and I counted this as a leg one when this happened, and then as this happened, I restarted the count. So that's how I'm gonna do it. Leg one, pull back leg two, asymmetrical. Bar eight looks like it's close. It looks like this could be a two-legged trap. Got back into the EMA. This happened really fast. The market, the first six bars are, all range bound. What I mean by that is they're not trend bars. Al Brooks says there's only two bars, and I would classify all six of these bars as range bars. So maybe more range bound price action day, more overlap, and we did kind of get some over. We got a lot of overlap. So once the breakout restarted for me, I went leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three, pull back leg four, pull back leg five, pull back leg six, or leg five. Breakout below the EMA, really deep pullback, not good for the bears, and then they get a vacuum down into yesterday's low. Yesterday's low, 50%. Yesterday's high. And then this blue line would be a projection. As soon as they broke down, this became my target. But admittedly, I got out. I got out. This was turning up, or as this was turning up, and I got right back in. That's why I can't. I got up as one of these. I'm pretty sure I got up. I got out on this bar and got back in because I don't remember it being bullish. But so yeah, I went short leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three. It was this one because I thought this was I thought this could be the start of I did get out here and then get back in because of that's exactly how I counted it is what I was thinking. Leg three, leg four. So yeah, leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three, pull back leg four, pull back leg five. Leg threes and fours is better fade. And what I mean by that is you could scalp here, you could get short and make some money here, or you could buy the bottom. I bought this as it was turning up because I wanted it to be an outside bar, and this is a good outside bar. Bar 31 traded below, and then bullish close up top. And if you read the blue book, Al talks about how you want to see an outside bar at the end of a trend, then you wait for a trend line break, and then you wait for a retest, and then that could be the start of a swing. Fortunately, today it wasn't, but there's still many good trades. You can catch 4 to 5 points here. Catch this second leg trap, leg one, pull back leg two. It's a second leg trap, double bottom. I was in this. I got out here and bought this bar as it was turning up. The market was range bound from right here. Kind of jumping around. After I don't do these for like a couple days in a row, I kind of start to skip around. So I'm gonna write a list and make sure I'm doing this good because I was about to talk about the market cycle, but we're still talking about the price action here. So we'll get a double bottom, leg one, pull back leg two. Bears Bears try and break through support and fail. Bulls get the reversal, pull back leg one, and then they get into a bull channel. The channel is expanding, not by much, but it is getting broader. It was a hard channel trade. I gave back a lot of gains in this channel. I caught my move because I bought this, and then I went for. I thought I made a little bit more than this, but I know I got out on this candle, and then I got back in here. And I tried to short here, got out, short here, got out. I was like, what am I doing? I was like, I'm going short, and I got short here again. And I was like, oh my gosh, what have I just done? Really easy to mess up your gains in a tight trading range. I'll talk about that a lot. So I kind of went over leg one, leg two moves, but let me measure them out. Leg one, pull back leg two. That is met. Leg, this is actually more of a breakout. That is met here. The breakout from yesterday's range. So this range and this range is this target, and Bears met that with bar 30, and the market went range bound. It's not good to look for counter trend moves until at least the measured move is met. So Al also talks about that in the blue book is great. I really like the I already told myself like maybe next year I'm gonna do another blue book review again because I'm learning a lot putting those slides together. I hope you guys are enjoying them. It's good. It's scary that this is. I need to look at my calendar, but I think I've been trading Al Brooks for sure over about a year and 4 months now, and it's really wild to think how deep this run. Like I'm not even close to understanding like how Ali says that price action traders should be able to the tick know where the market is going to the exact tick. I can't tell you that. I could tell you where the market's roughly gonna go. I had this in mind. I had the EMA in mind. For here, I kind of had the red line in mind, so I'm off like that. Here, my target was the EMA, then it was the prior high. But Ali says that we should know to the tick. So that's the goal. That's to know to the tick. If the best traders know to the tick, then that's the standard. So where are we in the market cycle? Well, the market cycle within today. You have a breakout, pull back channel phase, leg 1, leg 2, leg 3, leg 4, and then the market goes range bound. After the channel phase, it's range bound, so it's trend, it's trend, channel, range. And remember, when we're transitioning, so the channel can be the first leg in a range. We just don't know it yet. Like here, we're still in a downtrend, but then look, the price action became range bound. So that's the market. That's the market cycle. Breakout, channel, range, and then once we get the breakout, it resets, and we place trades around that. I look for leg 1, leg 2s, and breakouts are my favorite. Doesn't mean I'm making money because I'm coming back off of getting smoked last month, so I'm taking things real slow. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys had a good April Fool, Hope you guys had a good 3-day weekend. I'm gonna go get drink. I'm gonna go get some drinks tonight. I haven't had drinks this year, so I'm not gonna get drunk though. Maybe. So yeah, I will talk to you guys tomorrow. I'm definitely not gonna get drunk because I'm training tomorrow. Yeah, have a good one, guys. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate the comments. Fair Chick, thank you. I hope you're having a good weekend. Jide, if you're hearing this, what's up, bro? Drop some comments about the. I saw you post something. I gotta go check it out today or this weekend or something. So yeah, it's really cool talking to you guys. Keep dropping comments. Keep it up. Keep it up. I don't know where I was going with that. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. I can't.